Back in this video, I will guide you how to insert Japanese yen symbol in PowerPoint slide. For this, you need to click on the insert on the top menu bar, and on the right side click on the symbol, and in the symbol you need to select the found normal text, and in the subject you need to select the Latin 1 supplement, and then type the character code 00A5. Your cursor will automatically move to the yen symbol. You just need to click the insert and close it, and here it is. Another way is that you need to press Alt and U, and the symbol screen will be open up, and you just need to select the yen symbol and again click to insert and close it, and here is the another way. Another way is that you need to hold the Alt key, and on the numeric side keypad you need to press 0165 and release the Alt key, and here it is. So if you use yen symbol frequently, then you need to copy it by Ctrl C, go to the file, click on the options, click on the proofing, click on the correct options, and in the replace box you need to type YN, and in the width box you need to paste the symbol and click add and OK and OK. And now whenever you type YN and hit the space bar, it will convert to the yen symbol and type the value in front of them. If you want to insert a banknote of yen, for this you need to press the window key and semicolon key, and click on the search icon and type yen, and here is the banknote. You just need to click to insert, and here it is. So with this way you can easily insert Japanese yen symbol in PowerPoint. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.